Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing and have my first impressions of these two devices. So it's gonna be the magnetic phone mount and it's gonna be the spotlight as well for the Flow Pro. So we're gonna be unboxing these two. Just so you know, these two don't work together. So when you have the spotlight light, it's gonna work on the mount that came with the Flow Pro. It won't work with this because this is actually has a rail that's gonna mount on top of the clamp, whereas this doesn't. It's just a magnetic thing on the back of the phone. The advantage of this is that it's much easier to mount. You just clip it on the back of your phone, clip it on the Flow Pro, and that's about it. You don't have to fidget with it like the clamp to make sure it's centered and everything. The advantage of this though is we'll see in a moment after I unbox it and try it out. It's gonna dramatically help the lighting, and you can also control the lighting temperature, which is interesting as well. So we'll start by unboxing the mount first. So I'll go get scissors, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with scissors. So let's try this again, shall we? Alright, much easier. This thing open. Okay. Use the box. In the box, there you go. Some paperwork, some nice foam around, and wow, it's actually attached by some glue or something. Let's get rid of that. There you go. So it feels pretty premium. I don't know what I expected, but it's thinner than I thought. It's really, really thin. See there? So this is the back side. It looks really premium, feels good, metal. It also shows you that the camera has to be pointed up from here. This is where it's gonna mount basically. And then the other side, it's the magnetic side that's gonna attach to your phone. Yeah, feels pretty premium. Not much more to it. Here. I'll try it out soon. So now this one. So let's take a look at this light. There we go. So it opens like that. You see a tab here. Perfect. Paperwork. So it comes like this. Let's see here. How can we do this gently? You know, with these things, you always try to not rip it, but like in this case, like I have no choice. It's just sealed this way. So I guess we'll rip it out. Alrighty. Take it out. Perfect. So we have the light. Smaller than I thought. I don't know why I thought it would be bigger, honestly. But it's pretty portable, so that's the advantage of this. You can just fit it in your bag. And USB-C. And this would connect not at the bottom, but at the top. There's another USB-C port near the gimbal. This would connect there, and then this would mount on top. So we'll try it out soon. I'll try and keep the same angle with the light on, and we'll see if there's any difference. So one more thing before I try it, I realized as setting it up, this small part here is what's gonna clamp on the phone mount. Up or down works both sides. And what's interesting is once it's clamped right, you can rotate this the other way. So you can use it both ways. Pretty cool. So how it works is you have the right, if you guys can see, you have the right and left button. So the right button, I'm guessing you press and hold and it's going to turn it on or off, and you control the brightness, low, medium, high. And then the other button, while it's on, the other button you're going to use to do the color temperature, neutral, warm, or cool. So that's how you would control it. So we'll test it out right now. All right, so I plugged the light in. I'm going to turn it on now. I'm going to use this box here as a reference just so you guys see what happens, how bright it is when I turn it on. So turn it on right now. All right, so immediately I think there's a big difference when I show like content on the box like this. But as I go further this setup, you guys let me know if it looks brighter or not. So this is with it on. This is with it off. Sorry for the camera shake. It's because I'm touching it at the same time. So put it again on. And then off. So I see that there is a slight difference. We'll see once I edit if it drastically increases the brightness or not. So now let's play a little bit of the settings. So I'm going to turn it on again. We'll do this setting and then we'll do it with the box in front to compare and see how well the lighting does. So this is first mode brightness, second, so it's even brighter, and then third, this is the brightest. So even when I look at it, like, it's really bright for such a small light, I gotta say, it really brightens up the setup. We'll see in post-production, but from what I can tell just looking at it, it really does a big difference for my setup at least. So again, I'm gonna go low, medium, high, and then off. So yeah, I can see just by looking at the footage that it does make a big difference. So now we'll put it on again, medium, high, and then we'll play with the colors. So this is neutral color by default when you turn it on. So now let's see. This is cool. So it's a bit more blue white-ish instead of the standard color. And then let's put warm. It's a bit more reddish. So I think for my setup, I think the warm color should be used in only some scenarios. I don't think it would work everywhere. For my taste, it's a bit too yellow. Neutral is not bad at all. And I'm leaning towards the neutral or the blue, the cool color. So we'll do the same test again. I'm putting it back to low and turning it off. So now the light's off completely. And we'll do the test again with this box. See the difference. So I'm going to turn it on. So right away you can see the box lights up. Let's go brighter, brighter. So that's the max brightness. If I click again, it's going to go back to low. Medium, high, really bright. And then now we'll try the color. So this is neutral color, cool color. So you see the box. It's a bit more bluish. I kind of like this thing. We'll see in final production the neutral or the blue, which one looks better. And the warm color. So if my opinions change after I edit this about the warm color, I'll let you know. But the warm color, I think for specific scenarios, maybe at night, they might be useful. But for reviews like that, I find it makes it look a bit too dark. So neutral again. And cool color. Just pretty cool color looks pretty nice too, I think. So there you go. So this is the review of this and this. So these get a last look here. So again, since this is a metal object, we'll just do the test for fun to see if it changes everything. So this is cool color, warm color, neutral color. I'm also filming in log, so it's really going to capture all these colors and really show the difference between them. So I'll cycle one more time. Cool, warm, and neutral. Brightness, low, medium, high. Perfect. So again, this is the unboxing and first impressions of these two. Ironically, they're not compatible with each other. So yeah, let me know what you think. And welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And stay tuned for more.